To the start of this week's family print project vlog, we have the filament order officially placed and ready to go. That's coming in. It should be here in a couple days. I've got to get the keychains started, at least all the mock-ups and stuff like that done. So when the filament order is ready, I finalize everything with my boss and we get that stuff going. The next order of business is ordering the keychain to attach to the keychain design. So let's get that started too. We got a package. I believe these are the keychain ones for my boss's order that I'm going to be getting together right now. So let's check it out. This one's still having problems, but yes, it is exactly what it is. It looks light, but I mean, I'm assuming the amount of pieces are accurate, and I got to put these pieces together. So got lots to do. Lots to do. My filament order was also supposed to come in today, but it got delayed on UPS. So USPS? No, UPS. So they were late on delivering that today, but gotta wait on that. Get some prints going, and we'll see where we go from there. I actually could get started on the order with this one, so I'm gonna do that now. So one of the things I'm actively doing right now is prototyping a keychain that is going to be more of a fidgety keychain. Now I am going to make a version that goes over the actual design to see if the printer will actually print on the hinge part. So really going to be curious to see if that's possible. Alright, so this is the current design. If we can get this off in one go, that'd be great. I even have the hole here as well. Alright, I've officially corrected it. So now we are going to send this to the printer and see how it looks. Alright, here's prototype number one. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay. First layer needs some work. That has to be because of the filament, because this did phenomenal. So if I can get that front layer to be good, then we'll have a really cool print. Time to unbox this filament order. We have less than 3 weeks to get as many variety versions of these keychains done that I have designed. So time is of the essence. And my box. Got the reds. Got the black. And the white. So I'm going to go ahead and get that loaded up on machines and get things cracking and get things rolling. We are doing a version 2. We got 2 more versions of keychains that I plan to do for this Car Fest. I did try to make a smaller version of the articulated one, and it is not working like I want it to. So I have to have up several plans. Alright. Keychain number 2 has been done. Safe to say this needs some work. That does not look good. I'm going to clear out this nozzle, see if it'll make it better. We're going to try again. That's the only thing that I can think of, because this looks messy. It's almost there. But this layer line stuff is not looking good. So it is being tested. We're getting to it. Alright, pulling this dragon off, putting it to the side. Another one down. Let's get it done. Alright, test print number 3. Came out a lot better. But yeah, there's something going on in this stuff. It could be the filament. This is filament that's been sitting even though it's been dried. It probably needs to dry longer. The logo looks pretty good. Almost spot on good. It's just the layer line and then like it lifting on that bottom part. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's time to do it again. This time around, we're going to get a whole roll of black on there. Brand new roll of black. Let's see if this makes a difference. Alright, so definitely having a nozzle issue. We're going to probably order another nozzle because I don't have anything else at the moment. Everything else is doing just fine. So, yeah, let's put this on another printer, get it going, get it tested, and get the ball rolling. Also, to add more context, I've been using pretty much all the nozzles on all the printers, except for Bulma, for the last year and a half. So it definitely is due for a renewal. I think I've only had one printer that I've one A1 Mini that I've changed the nozzle on, so it's definitely due. But I will try to clean it out and see if that will fix it as well. All right, it's officially loaded on Kale. Build plate has been switched from the cool plate to the PEI sheet, the textured sheet. So let's get it started, tested, and see if that was the issue. And there we have it. First finished keychain. Now it's time to get some more. Let's also remove the 0.6 millimeter and get this 0.4 on there. Get that done. And since it hasn't been used for PETG yet, I'll go ahead and get the keychains made on this one as well for Bulma for now, so we can mass produce, since we are down this one and also that one's having issues. I will also be getting the 85X up and running, so we'll be looking pretty good. We should be looking pretty good. All right, so we're getting things running. We're getting this, registering the colors. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this week's vlog. Again, still trying to get back to it. Good news is this upcoming week, I will have how much we made with 3D printing business on that, and then we'll get back into our weekly scheduled program. Literally uploading this weekend. I'm going to have a bunch of early stuff vlogs for Thursday, Friday, Saturday that we're going to do. We're also going to try to do a market this Saturday. We actually canceled other plans that we had going on because we had no choice. We have to do a market this Saturday in order to get the business back up and running. We also got our Etsy store back up. Going to figure out some things on that, but really documenting all of that in this next week's stuff. But just preparing y'all for what's to come. Getting things going. Very excited. If you guys want to continue to enjoy the content and you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. We're going to work our way into getting 5,000 subscribers, and I appreciate it. Leave some comments down below, some video ideas, anything you guys want to see that we would like to cover, and very excited. I'll catch y'all on next week's vlog. Bye, guys. Come on.